My name is Richa Singh, and my project is the effect of diesel oil on seagrass and sea lettuce. Here we have 10 tanks that I used for testing. I also used a microscope and glass slides so that I could examine the plant cells within the seagrass and sea lettuce. Each session of testing for this project was 3 weeks long, and results were recorded at the beginning of the session, or day 1, after 2 weeks of testing, and at the end of the session of testing. So 5 of the tanks at the back were used for seagrass testing, and the other 5 of the tanks were used for sea lettuce testing. Tank 1 for the seagrass and sea lettuce was the control tank, so it had no diesel oil in it, and it was just a regular simulated environment for the plants. Tanks 2 and 3 had 10 milliliters of diesel oil in it, and tanks 4 and 5 had 40 milliliters of diesel oil in them each. To examine the sea lettuce and seagrass under the microscope, I took off a little piece of either the blade or the thallus and placed it on a glass slide. Then I placed the glass slide under the microscope lens and counted the amount of dead plant cells that were visible. I used that number and subtracted it by 50, which was the amount of plant cells that could be seen under the microscope. That gave me the amount of living plant cells, and I recorded that for the results. In my results, I found that the diesel oil mostly negatively affected the plants, and the plants in tanks 4 and 5 lost the most plant cells. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.